Hi, my name is Jo. My child Marley is 13 and is currently doing the Talented Kids program with Karen Hughes. He has actually just signed up for the program for the third time. He's loved it so much and got so much out of it. The main things through conversations with him that he's getting out of it is the consistency of writing. So he's absolutely loving writing every single week and seeing his writing develop as far as creativity and innovation goes with the instruction from Karen. And he is loving having the interaction with the other kids as well and hearing their take on things, their different opinions, and also hearing regularly their different styles of writing, which has been really great for him to be able to expand as well. Look, as parents, what we've seen is his competence and confidence growing with his writing, and also the fact that we're loving that he's doing it more regularly. It's very easy to have a week slip by and not write, but with this program, he's diligently turning up every single week and doing it. Look, I cannot recommend this program again, and I've been very excited every single time he's turned around and said, yeah, I'm ready to go, let's go again, because Karen makes it creative and sort of a different approach every single time they run through it. So, yeah, I would highly recommend this program.